Hello everyone, it's 31st March. Let's quickly look at the headlines from the Indian Express newspaper. In the first page we have the first page, which is the world page, we have Apollo to Artemis, humanity's first trip to moon in over 50 years. Then we have Turkey says NATO defenses down, fourth Iran missile entering airspace. Then we have Spain says it has closed its airspace to US aircraft involved in Iran war. Then we have can the Dubai dream survive war? Residents say life goes on. Then we have Maoist more or less wiped out from Bastar says Amit Shah. Task not over says opposition. Then we have great progress on Iran talk says Trump. Then of huge infra attack. Then we have Bengal's dream new universities, makeshift campuses, faculty at 500 rupees per class, falling student number. Then we have in Assam seat of power, BJP faces challenge from member of Gold Guard. Moving forward, we have flights from Noida airport could begin in 4 weeks. Then we have women fights off snatchers in CR Park as crowd looks on. Duo flees after knife attack. Lastly, we have the third revision in 16 months. Gurgaon circle rates could go up to 75%. Then we have caste enumeration in PH2, says Census Commissioner. Then we have infiltration, not just poll issue. It is about safeguarding national security, says Prime Minister. Moving forward, we have opposition says CAPF bill ignores judiciary, will bring uniformity, counters BJP. Then we have can't defeat ideology by force. Opposition targets government on extremism. Then we have changes in insolvency. Law will help save viable businesses, says Finance Minister. Going forward, we have the editorial page where we have debate foreign policy, but tempered dissent is heard louder than vitriol. Then we have denotified nomadic tribes have always been ignored. Census can fix that. Again, very important from society perspective. Then we have a deadline encounters and surrenders, how Chhattisgarh's Maoist bastions fell. Then we have liquor mafia looted rights of malnourished kids before 2017, says Yogi. Moving forward, we have Jaishankar meets Russian minister, discusses West Asia war. Then we have fractured bones to amputations, how Kuno's now thriving cheetah program was kept alive. Then we have the explained page where we have Maoist operations what after 31st March milestone. Then we have bill for Peer Panjal, Chenab Valley divisions and politics behind it. Then we have is global warming being measured comprehensively? A new study flags gaps. Again, all these news are very important. And that is it for today. Thank you for watching.